Continents of the world. Continents are very large landmasses found on Earth. The Earth has 7 such continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the world's largest and most populous continent. It covers 30% of the Earth's landmass and hosts 60% of the world's current human population. Asia, along with Europe, form the world's largest landmass, Eurasia, divided by the Ural Mountains. By water, it is bounded on 3 sides by the Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Africa is the second largest and also the second most populated continent in the world. The continent of Africa covers 20.4% of the world's total land area and accounts for 14.72% of the world's human population. It is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Red Sea. Africa is widely regarded to be the continent where humans originated. It is located on the equator and experiences a number of climatic changes. North America is the third largest continent. It occupies 16.5% of the world's landmass and homes 7.8% of the world's population. It is surrounded by 4 water bodies: the Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and the Caribbean Sea. South America is the 4th largest continent in terms of area. It is also the 5th most populous continent. It is bordered on the west by the Pacific Ocean and to the north and east by the Atlantic Ocean. South America is home to the world's highest waterfall, the largest river by volume, the longest mountain range, and many other geographical wonders. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent in the area. About 98% of Antarctica is covered by ice that averages about 1.6 kilometers in thickness. It is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent. Antarctica is considered a desert with only 8 inches of rainfall in a year. People live here only for research purpose. Temperatures in Antarctica can drop to as low as minus 89 degrees Celsius. It is home to a variety of penguin species. Europe, by convention, is one of the world's 7 continents, divided from Asia by the Ural Mountains. It covers about 6.8% of the Earth's surface area and accounts for 11% of its population. It is bordered by the Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea, and the Black Sea. Australia is the smallest and lowest lying human-inhabited continent on Earth. As it is mostly on a single landmass, it is also referred to as an island continent surrounded by oceans.